Do you know how fast you have to run to outrun a bear? How fast?
How fast?
Make a guess.
40 miles per hour.
40 miles an hour?
Yeah.
Nope. You only have to run as fast to overtake the first person in front of you.
Oh, no, man.
So what's your question?
About the bear, what we're talking about?
Yes. If a bear chases you, should you drop your pack and run?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
No, you should not. Because it'll teach the bear that if you chase people, you get free food. So you must just run with your pack and sacrifice your life for the next hiker that comes along.
Has the bear ever taken?
Here we are, Tennessee, Virginia state line, Appalachian Trail. And this is my first time in Tennessee. And we are entering Cherokee National Forest. Today's the day after Christmas. We started this morning in Damascus, Virginia. And we are hiking toward Roan Mountain, hopefully getting 50 to 60 miles in. I'm hiking with a friend of mine. She does not have a trail name yet. The trail has been like this. I'm from Pennsylvania. I'm not used to trail that has no rocks on it. This is like just a walk in a park. This is actually a walk in the park. It actually is literally a walk in the park. The Appalachian Trail is part of the National Park System. So this is a walk in the park with no rocks. And it's amazing. I do like rock scrambles. We're both carrying extra weight because it's supposed to be cold. It's supposed to snow day after tomorrow and the next day. It was supposed to rain today, supposed to rain tonight, supposed to rain tomorrow night and tomorrow. I'm not sure if we're crazy or foolish or just living the dream, but so far it's been a really good hike. And we're working on her trail name. Nothing yet. We're shooting for about 10 miles today. We're going to easily do the 10 miles, and then we possibly may go another mile. We'll see how it is once we get there. If it's going to rain tonight, I would prefer to be in a shelter because I don't really think they're going to be full. There's not that many people out. We haven't seen a single person yet. So I don't think the shelters are going to be full. So it would just be easier to be in a shelter because I'm going to have to deal with rain and wet gear. So here's the quotes of the day. So my friend, I pointed out a hill and I said, we're probably going to go up that mountain. And she goes, what are the chances the trail goes around the mountain instead of up and over it? I said, this is the Appalachian Trail. If they see a mountain, we're going over it. So Tennessee so far has treated us very well. Trail's pretty much like this. Not many rocks. Hills are nice and gradual. Nice, flat. Most of the trail is padded with dead leaves. It's not been a hard hike at all. It's actually been pretty easy. We're about a little over a mile and a half from where we're going to end for the day. I think we're going to cap out at roughly 11 and a half miles. Our first climb was a 5-mile climb. 5.5 probably, 5.5-mile climb. And then we've been running the ridge with little ups and downs. And going up a couple sections, a little steep, but not bad at all. My friend says, as we're going down our first little downhill, oh good, a downhill. I can complain about the next uphill while I can still catch my breath. Got to the shelter and there's a shovel here. In case your hiking partner doesn't make it and you need to do an impromptu burial service. So this is Abingdon Shelter. We're just passing by because we're going to continue on to McQueens. You know, it's not quite as nice. There is a spring further down, but we don't need water, so we're going to get water tomorrow. Tennessee does not have privies, which is a shame because I have a picture of every Appalachian Trail privy I have come upon. None here. The wind has really started. I don't know if you can see or hear it, but it's blue sky, white clouds, but the wind is really picking up now. All it says is, enjoy your hike. We hope you have a good hike and get to see lots of wonderful views and maybe some wildlife. Camp is set up in a tiny little shelter. We're eating food. Bear bag rope is hung. I have my trash down there. And supper is ramen with chicken. Little Sticks. How was the trail today?
It was long, but it was good.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was a beautiful trail.
It was a nice trail. What are you eating for supper?
I'm eating scrambled eggs with bacon.
Oh, so you're eating breakfast early.